useful to us. So I hand over the section to Vinod Subramanian.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, all. Good afternoon. Myself, Vinod Subramanian. So, my concern name is Silicon Software Services. So, I'll show you a PPT for your reference. So, this is my concern. So, quality is not an act, it's habit. Why we use this statement? No. So, we will teach very well for the particular technologies like C, C++, data structure, up to whatever the today trending technology. Also, we will teach very clearly. So that we have mentioned this quote: quality is not an act, it's habit. So we will teach all technologies very deep dive. So nobody can teach like us. So I am damn sure about it. So we have started our company at 2014. So far it is going well. Last 5 years, almost last 3 years, we are doing all training in your campus itself. So he's our founder. His name is Rajendra Subramanian. This is myself, Vinod Subramanian. This is Karthikeyan. He's a senior software developer and trainers also. So what are the service we are doing? We are doing all kind of technical stuffs like Java full stack. Yeah, as usual, you know that Java JD, Spring, it's a framework, and Spring Boot REST and Spring Boot JPA, Spring Boot microservices and Hibernate ORM. So Python stacks also we do, and big data stuffs also we do, like Hadoop, Pig, Hive, Scoop, Kafka, HBase, like that. And we do C, C++, and data structure very well, as well as we do web services like AWS, Azure, and all. And as well as we do embedded and IoT also, UI designs and databases. We do all full stack development like Mean Stack, Merin Stack, and Golang. So these are the services we are doing it. Some of the clients name we have showed in this place, SRM group of institutions, and even we do in your colleges. We did in your colleges also. So that's it. So last year, 2019 batch, these all are from your colleges only. We place them in many companies. Some of the names I displayed in this PPT. So that's it. So now I am going into Android. This is Android code. Now we are going to develop an addition application. How to do that addition application? Now I am going to show the code. Anyone can tell me that what is this and all? Can you tell me what is this? Anyone through chat, or you can unmute it and you can let me know. Anyone can tell me what is this? What is this package? And what is this? Import Android.support.v7 app combat activity. Then what is this? Public. What is this class? What is this main activity? Hello? You can let me know through chat also, not a problem. Okay, so you may know or may not know, that is not a problem here. Now I am going to explain that these things. Before going to the Android, I'll explain basics about some Java. So before going to Java, we should know Java syntax. In Java, we have a syntax. Syntax. What are the syntax we need to learn for Java? Class syntax and method syntax and variable syntax. Sir, Senthil sir? Hello sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, screen தெரியலன்னு சொல்றாங்க sir. Someone saying screen not sharing.
Sir, screen is clear, sir. They have to click your icon, sir. உங்க உங்களோட ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணா அவங்க வந்துரும் சார்.
So let them know that sir. Actually ஒருத்தர் கேட்டிருக்காரு, அவர் பேரு Rajnald T. Das.
Okay, sir. நான் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்றேன் சார்.
Okay.
Okay. Students all can click Vinod Subramanian. So you all can see his video.
Okay. Now is it visible to all students? Hello.
Please select Vinod Subramanian icon. You can see
Selected.
his video.
Now is it visible? Is it visible, Rajinald? Okay.
Okay, sir. Carry on, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. So now we are going to learn class syntax. Class syntax. For the class syntax, we have to write first access specifier. Access specifier, and we need to write class keyword, and we need to write class name, then open curly brace, close curly brace. Inside the class, we can write variables and methods. So what are the access specifier we have in Java? We have 4 access specifier in Java. So for this class syntax, I'm going to write the example. Class name. So this is a syntax for the class. So can we match the example with this syntax? First, we have written what access specifier. We have written public as an access specifier. Next, we have written what class. Next, we have written what class name. It's a user defined name. So class name started with capital letter recommended by Oracle. Why we have started with capital letter? Because an easy identification. Why I am teaching this class syntax? Because in Android we are using it class syntax. I'm going to the Android code right now. This is access specifier for the class. And what is this? This is a class keyword. Then what is this? This is a class name. So that I am saying it's a class keyword here. So any doubt? So inside the class, what we can write? We can write variables and methods. So can you make a note of it? You can take a image. You can take a photo. That's enough. No need to write these things. Done? Noted, right? Sir, note padachingla? All of you. Okay, next. I'm going to teach you method syntax. What is that? Method syntax. Static, access specifier, static, return type, then space, method name, open bracket, close bracket. Inside that open bracket, close bracket, we have to write parameters. Then here we need to write return statement, semicolon. Inside method, we can write what? Business logic. For this method syntax, I'm going to write example right now. Access specifier, I have written public, then static, return type. இப்போ நான் வந்து void மட்டும் தான் எழுத போறேன். Next method name, I can write whatever I like. நான் வந்துட்டு இப்போ goன்ற method எழுதிருக்கேன். It's a user defined name. Method name is a user defined name. நமக்கு எந்த பேர் பிடிச்சிருக்கோ அதை கொடுத்துக்கலாம். So access specifier, you can write public, private, protected, or default. Now I am using it what? Public specifier, public access specifier. I used public. So static is a keyword. It is an optional. If you required, you can write until unless. You don't need to write. Return type nana use பண்ணிருக்கேன், void use பண்ணிருக்கேன். Next method name, user defined name. Open bracket, parameters optional, அதனால விட்டுட்டேன். Then open curly brace, closed curly brace. So இப்போ இதில் நான் என்ன எழுதலை, ரிட்டர்ன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எழுதலை. Why? Because I have used return type as void, which means we don't need to write return statement. Inside the method, what we can write? Business logic. Whatever we like, we can write a business logic. Even if you are saying it's a print statement, also called as a business logic. Okay. So இதை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து வச்சு எழுதிட்டு இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஸோ செஷன் இன்டராக்டிவாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் இந்த சேட்லையாவது அட்லீஸ்ட் சேட் பண்ணுங்க, இது புரிஞ்சுதா புரியலையா அப்படின்றது. அப்போதான் வந்து இன்டராக்டிவாக போகும். இல்லைனா வந்து ஏதோ நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்ற மாதிரி ஃபீல் ஆகும். ஸோ கேன் erase this? Next நான் பார்க்க போகிறது வேரியபிள் சின்டாக்ஸ். ஓகே. ஸோ மெத்தட் சின்டாக்ஸ் எதுக்காக நான் சொன்னேன்னா, I'm going to the Android code right now. Here I used what? Method. இது என்னது? இதான் மெத்தட். எப்படி மெத்தட் இருந்தால் ஓப்பன் ப்ராக்கெட் க்ளோஸ் ப்ராக்கெட் இருந்தால் அது மெத்தட். ஓகே. ஆக்சஸ் ஸ்பெசிஃபையர் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்? ப்ரொடெக்டட். வாட் இஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் டைப்? void. ஸ்டாட்டிக் சொல்லியிருக்கேன், இட் இஸ் an optional case. we required we can use until unless, we don't need to use. இது வந்து ஆண்ட்ராய்டில் ஸ்டாட்டிக் இந்த மெத்தடுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆன் கிரியேட் மெத்தட். நெக்ஸ்ட் இது மெத்தட் நேம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஓப்பன் ப்ராக்கெட். ஸோ ஓப்பன் ப்ராக்கெட் க்ளோஸ் ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள பராமீட்டர்ஸ் இது தேவைப்படுது. பட் என்னோட எக்ஸாம்பிளில் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் பராமீட்டர்ஸ். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஓப்பன் கர்லி பிரேஸ், க்ளோஸ்ட் கர்லி பிரேஸ். ரிட்டர்ன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எழுதலை. ஏன்? ரிட்டர்ன் டைப் வந்துட்டு void. அதனால தான் இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பார்த்துருக்கோம்? மெத்தட் சின்டாக்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் variable syntax. Static, access specifier, static, data type, variable name is equal to value. So idanadu variable syntax. Access specifier, you can write public, private, protected, or default. Static is a keyword, it is an optional. Data type, Java la vandu 8 data type irukku. 8 data types we have in Java. I'm going to tell you that